I'm Julie.
I'm Maria. I have hiccups.
Yep. This episode, we're trying to get rid of Maria's hiccups.
Using any ways possible except standing on my head, which is impossible.
It's not impossible. You just don't want to do it.
Same thing.
Okay. Our first trial.
Oh man.
The thing that I use to get rid of my hiccups. Stop hiccuping. We're on camera.
I can't help it. So what were you
Now
saying?
saying firmly to yourself, I have hiccups.
That won't work.
It will work.
It's
Now try
impossible.
it. Okay, I can just scare it.
I have hiccups. I have hiccups. I have hiccups.
She
I
has
have
hiccups.
hiccups. Happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Are you still hiccuping?
Wait.
Wait for it.
It might have worked. It worked.
That was really
It
short.
worked. Darn it. It worked.
That's why it worked.
There you go.
This is a very uninteresting video because I'm still not hiccuping.
It worked.
I don't like you.
What? Because I helped you get rid of your hiccups. You don't like me?
But
I mean,
when
like,
we finally
how
decided
long
to
is
do a thing about doing my hiccups, then they finally went away.
Yes, because I'm smart.
No, you're not. If you were smart, you should have started it earlier. Like when I
I
first
did.
hiccup. No, you didn't. I've been taking it like for an hour.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wasn't there a guy who did this for like years? 68. Yep, 68 years. I got
That
hiccups.
must hurt. Poor kid.
It's not a kid. He was an old man.
He was once a kid. We are all kids inside, in our hearts.
Some more prominent than others.
I don't like
That
you
was
either.
indicated towards me, probably.
No. Okay.
And this is another very boring episode. Well, actually, none of our episodes are boring, of course.
What about that one where you messed up and you need to start over?
Well, we're not going to show them that.
Why not?
Okay, next time you mistake, why don't we broadcast it all over YouTube?
Why would you do that?
You should just, like, not talk or something. I don't know.
You
Anybody got
wish.
any duct tape?
Oh, bother.
Sammy does. Sammy's not here.
The TV's in my eyes. Look. It's glare.
Computer.
No, the TV. Look at it. See?
It's called a computer. See the little screen right there?
Well, I'm used to having the TV in my eyes.
Well, it's not a TV. Why are the credits on?
Because the movie ended.
No, duh.
I'm glad I explained that to you. You might not have understood.
You're hopeless.
My stomach made a noise at me.
Maria?
I'm not even that hungry. No, I'm not even hungry. Why is it making noises?